Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the tweets and coins that you should be looking out for in the meme coin space right now that is going to take coins to plus $1 million market cap. And we're also going to be getting into Axiom's brand new updates as well. So we'll quickly first go through some of the new updates on Axiom. One of them being quite a small thing but very cool is that you can now link YouTube links into your meme coin. So people have been linking YouTube videos into the meme token on an Axiom. I think it's the only exchange where you can scroll over like this and preview it in the meme coin page. Now this is revolutionary, to be honest, because especially if you're not sure why people are actually buying into this token, because when you first look at it, you look at your mum, you're like, why are people buying into that? Then you go to the Twitter page and there's nothing too major about the Twitter page that would make people want to buy into it. Now for me, I would be thinking like, why would anyone want to buy into it? But because of Axiom's new feature, you can see the YouTube link here, which clearly references Elon telling people to create a your mum meme. This whole meme coin space doesn't make sense at all in whatever way, shape or form. But there are some ways to understand what's going to make a coin trending or not, and to see if it's going to go above $1 million market cap. Now, usually it's to do with a story or a meme or a global news event goes global. The more people see that story, then the more viral it's going to be going. This one, to be honest, is an anomaly because I don't think this was a recent post. Yeah, so this video was from 3 months ago. This is going to be one of the ones where you're like, oh, I'm not sure if I'm going to buy into this or not, and then it just goes to 4 million market cap out of nowhere. It doesn't make any sense. But these type of tokens really do make some sense, and there is ways to actually figure out if it's going to be trending or not. Now this one was Lo-Fi MAGA. So the official White House YouTube channel started live streaming, and I've seen this on Axiom's Twitter tracker, which is so important why you use Axiom, because you can see all of this happening. And I knew it was going to do well because I started seeing a lot of people tweet about it in the Twitter tracker and a lot of people buying in on the wallet tracker as well at the same time. And because Trump created his own Solana meme coin, anything he posts that will get some type of attention will become a meme coin. So that is one key way to just figure out when Trump says something absolutely crazy or he does something absolutely mad. One thing was rebuild and open Alcatraz. For too long, America has been plagued by vicious, violent and repeat criminal offenders. Now that hasn't been opened for ages, and it is such a Trump thing to do that a lot of people will be like, yeah, let's do it. So as you can see right here as well, Alcatraz started popping off as well at the same time. But this is just to give you an idea that anything Trump tweets you can then use for your benefit on the meme coin space. So one way to do it with Axiom's new update to basically make sure that you never miss anything that Donald Trump says is to go over to the Twitter tracker button and then come over to the top right where you see add Truth Social in feed. Now this is a brand new Axiom account that I'm trying to set up just to show you that it's simple to be able to do. And then there's an option to remove the Truth Social in the feed, so you can just track your Twitter accounts if you want to. But I've just done this with a brand new account just to basically track all the Truth Social stuff. And if you don't know what Truth Social is, this is Donald Trump's own social media platform, and the reason why people want this is because before anyone can retweet what you post on Truth, everything gets posted on Truth first. So you're going to be the first to be able to see any brand new major news that he's going to be announcing. So there's been quite a few new cool updates on Axiom. I don't believe there's any meme coin exchange that is really doing as many updates as possible as Axiom are doing. They've got this master blacklist, so you can blacklist any developers, Twitter handles or keywords or websites and contract addresses that you don't want to be seeing, which is very handy. They've got the Truth Social tracker, which I thought I'd have to cover there. I think that's one of the best features of the whole entire platform. And you can split your tokens. You can have different wallets on your Axiom account, and you can split them and distribute them however you like to all those different wallets. Here's another one that did well on Friday when the GTA 6 announcement that the release date was going to be pushed back. You can see as soon as they announced it, there was a token called Before GTA 6 that got announced. And the reason being is because that story instantly went to the Explore page and instantly went trending. And this is what you want to be keeping an eye out for. If there's something that gets posted and you see on the Twitter tracker that you know is going to gain traction and potentially get into this trending list on Twitter, then you know that this coin is going to go potentially above $1 million market cap. You definitely know a lot of volume is going to be coming into that token. So it really becomes a guessing game of how big is this story. Will people start posting about it and talking about it even more than an average story? And you know, with the GTA 6 one, for example, that everyone's anticipating this brand new game to be coming out. It's one of the most popular games in the world, and GTA and the gaming community is quite heavily associated with the meme coin and crypto community at the same time. So people, the minute that they've seen it, come over to this section on Axiom, bought in around this range, and slowly it did get up to above $1 million, dropped back down, and then got to at its highest 3 million, and then came all the way back down again. So this is usually the biggest coins at the moment are going to around this level if they're following some type of global trend. There are still coins like that Your Mum coin and Tick coin and all these other random ones that will go viral, and usually it's because they've got a community behind it reposting different memes. That's one way, but I feel like that way is a lot more like gambling, to be honest, especially if you're trying to find a coin early. But you can definitely bet on a meme that a lot of people are posting about at that current time, and it could go viral as well at the same time. But I feel like this way is a more precise way of figuring out what's going to go viral or not. One thing that I thought I'd go through as well is finding these wallet addresses in the top traders section of these type of meme coins that are doing well. Because if you find all of these top traders that are consistently making decent profit from this and put them into the wallet tracker on Axiom, then you're never going to miss when all these brand new wallets who are following this same strategy are buying into very similar meme coins. And this is just going to help you become a lot more precise by constantly doing this. You can definitely go and find a lot of the whales from pre-made already existing lists. You can find one of ours as well in our free Discord community. But what you want to be doing is finding tokens just like this one that correlate around some global news event, and then go to top traders and find the ones that have bought a massive amount and sold a massive amount. You want to be avoiding the ones who have bought a low amount and sold for a massive amount. And what I mean by that is these ones, like this person who bought 853,000 of the token but sold 6 million of the token. You obviously know that that is some type of insider, because obviously they've not bought 6 million worth of tokens but have sold 6 million worth of tokens. So you want to be finding these people like this person here who put $300 in and walked away with a nice $8,300 in profit. So all you've got to do in order to add them to your list is click on the wallet address that you can see on the screen, then go over to this section and click track wallet. It's super simple to do this in Axiom, probably one of the easiest to do, and then you're going to see the minute that they buy into a brand new token. So if we scroll up through before GTA 6, you can see the minute that this person bought in and sold all of his tokens, and you will see that for all of the wallets that you track. And it's so helpful to understand, when you get into brand new meme coins, how many of the wallets that you're tracking are going to be buying into this token as well. Because the more that are buying in at the same time as you, then the more likely that token is going to do well. So come through this top traders section with me, track some wallets just so you get the idea of what you need to be tracking. So when you're clicking on them, all I'm looking for is the balance, and then you can obviously look at the total transactions and the win rate as well. But usually you want to go off total profit and loss. If they've got a high total profit and loss and they've made money on this token, then I'm tracking it. I'm going over quantity over quality of wallets, because my strategy is finding loads of the same whale wallets are buying into a single token. And that's what I'm doing, setting up this brand new Axiom account right now to track all these brand new wallets. And these wallets that I'm tracking on this brand new account are all going to be wallets that have bought into these type of tokens. And then I'm going to do a video where I try and trade a small amount of Sol, just tracking all of these wallets that are found using this method. And then after a week, I'm going to show you guys my results. So if you want to see that, make sure you leave a like and comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more trading content.